Every precision starts with innovation and professional manufacturing. Behind every product is a team focused on quality, technology, and continuous improvement. Advanced equipment and strict production standards ensure stable performance and reliable quality. From manufacturing to inspection, every process is carefully controlled. Our solutions are designed for industrial applications that require precision and durability. With professional experience and strong manufacturing capabilities, Jingte Transmission supports customers worldwide. Jingte Transmission, creating reliable motion solutions for the future.